The question is like this: a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So this is also a verbal question. Seems to be complicated when compared to the previous problems. So here we have a building of height 30 meters, and from the base of the building a person of height, or a boy of height 1.5 meters. So his height is 1.5 meters. He is observing the top of the building, and while observing he moved towards the building. So assume that he moved to here. So when he moved towards the building, his angle of elevation got changed from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. 30 degrees to 60 degrees. So we need to find out the distance that he traveled from the first point to the second point. So this much distance we need to find out. So I want to name it like A, B, C and D, where D is the top of the building, C is the foot of the building, and A, B are the first and second observed points of that person. So here the person's height is given 1.5 meter. So it's a noticeable one when compared to the 30 meters height of the building. Here you can see triangles, but in the triangles base is this much. This is the baseline. For the viewing of the building, this is the base. But for that we need to subtract this much height from this building. So you need to get the height of these triangles. We need to subtract this 1.5 meters from 30 meters. So just I want to rename it like E and F. I want to redraw the picture also, and this is O. So O, D and F, E. At E we have 30 degrees elevation, and at F we have 60 degrees elevation, and OD is 30 minus 1.5 meter, which is 28.5 meter. So if you consider the triangle FDO, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite is OD divided by OF. So we need OF. OF is equal to OD by tan 60. So OD is 28.5, tan 60 is root 3. So I wrote like that, just as it, keep it as it is. Now come with triangle EOD. Triangle EOD, we have tan 30 is equal to opposite side OD by adjacent side ED. So we need ED. ED is equal to OD by tan 30. OD is 28.5. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. This rational number in the denominator will be reciprocated to the top, so that you will get 28.5 root 3 meters as the distance from E to D. But we need EF or AB. We need EF or AB. So which is the part of EO. So I want EF is I want EF. So for that I am writing EO minus FO or OF. FO or OF. So EO is 28.5 root 3 minus FO is 28.5 by root 3. So if you bring 28.5 common here, you will have 28.5 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3. If you take LCM of these fractions, you will get 3 minus 1 by root 3. So you will have 28.5 by root 3 into 2. Okay. So please students, substitute root 3 value here and find the EF value. My observation is, so if you see 28.5 by root 3 here, 28.5 by root 3 into 2. So OF value is half of the EF value. So OF value is half of EF value. here maybe the diagram is not supporting such a distance, but here if you see EF distance is double than FO distance. That's what we can say. And you students, you have to find this value. This value is 28.5 into 2 will get 57. 57 by root 3. 57 we can write as 3 into 19 by root 3. So this can be 19 root 3. 19 root 3 meters is the distance he traveled.